We talk football SA at Chlorkop, Mamelodi Sundowns headquarters, where Mamelodi Sundowns supporters are mourning the passing of Jaden Adams. What a midfielder we had. But unfortunately, the guy had to go. I'm with Amuhelang here, the staunch Mamelodi Sundowns supporter who is so knowledgeable about football as well.
Yes, sir.
My brother, how are you?
I'm good in you, sir.
Cool, man. The sad passing of Jaden Adams is the reason we are here today.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What does this mean? What does this loss mean to South Africa, to you, to Mamelodi Sundowns?
It's a huge loss because Jaden was an important role in us winning the CAF Champions League. Yes, he didn't score the final winning goal, but he was an instrumental part of our winning. Jaden wasn't just a nobody to me. We became friends over the internet, and obviously we met a few times at games, took pictures,
Yes.
and I mean, when he signed to Sundowns, I used to like watching him at Stellies, him and a few players, Anthony
Yes.
van Veek. Now he's at Sundowns too.
Yes.
Upon him signing to Sundowns, I texted him and said, "Good luck on joining the club. I wish you luck, and it's my favorite club." It was a wonderful day for me. Then he responded by saying thanks. I didn't think he'd respond, so that moment was the highlight of my year. 2025, 12th January.
Yes.
That was the day Sundowns signed Jaden Adams.
By so saying, you mean he was not just a good footballer, but he was a good person too.
Yes, he was. He was a good person, a good friend, a good role model to us. He represented the good values of this club, Ubuntu.
Yes.
He cared about everyone. He gave somebody his soccer boots at a game in Cape Town.
Yeah, I remember that game.
He was playing with Bafana.
Yeah.
So it shows the type of character Jaden was. So we dearly miss him. We really miss him.
Yeah. So coming to his family, what can you say to his family? Yeah, because they should be in a very bad state at the moment.
I wish them love and light. I hope they heal. And they must always know that they are not alone. Sundowns is here. The fans are here. South Africa is here. The world is here.
Yes.
We love them all.
Yeah. Yeah, to Mamelodi Sundowns players, management and stuff, what can you say? Because they spend more time with him every day. You know, at work.
Yes.
You become a family. Maybe sometimes it becomes even bigger than the family. So what can you say to his colleagues at Mamelodi Sundowns, my brother?
All I can say is the road won't be easy, but we are here with you. You know how much we love you as fans. We love you guys. We love the football club. We love you each, the management, the players. So all we can say is love and light also to you, and that may you take this time to heal. Don't rush yourself. It'll be okay.
Yes.
Time will tell.
No. Thank you very much, Amuhelang. I hope you heal too, because Jaden was not just a player, but he was your friend too. So please be healed, my brother.
Thank you.
God is with you.
Thank you, sir.
We are with you. We talk football SA. Siyabonga.
Thank you.